It's always scary, but then it feels so good when you hit the water. Jumping off of trees and swimming with the manatees at the Weeki Wachee River in Spring Hill, Florida is one of my favorite things to do, as you get great views of the skies and a perfect environment to relax on a paddleboard, kayak, boat, or jet ski. More likely than not, you're going to pass this ice cream bar for your munchies. Take advantage. The water is perfect to get in and refresh, and it's the same temperature year round. You might find yourself next to a crab. Just don't put your finger in his claw. This is perfect timing to use it for light exercise, or the current can take you down as a lazy river. Share the water with the manatees and jump off trees. Deuces.